consider this money as a reward from all of us. After all, you've done a great job of exchanging alcohol. Congratulations, Veer, you've done a great job. What a party.
Pari, sir, stop it. It's enough. Arnav, move aside. Veer, I won't move. What will you do, huh? After getting insulted by girls, you've not changed. So do one thing. The job that I have, take my job as a charity. Don't even dare to move. I'm with both of you. And if I ever see you around both of them, wherever you'll be, I'll bury you to the ground. Understood? Do you talk to all boys like this? In private? You must be. That is why everyone falls in love with you. And I've only exchanged alcohol. You tell me. With whom have you replaced me? By the way, you are shameless, I must tell you. Because you'll have to prove to the guy whom you'll trap after me that you'll belong to a good family. Keep the money. It doesn't matter if I don't get the money you owe me. Consider that I'm giving it to you as a donation.
Pari, where are you? I'm trying to reach you for a long time. Is everything fine? Tell me, I'm really worried.
Yes, Rohan. Now everything's fine.
Where are all of you?
We are just leaving for home. Rohan, I'll talk to you once I'm home. Bye. Let's go. Mishti, come.
No, both of you carry on. I'll join in sometime. I just want to stay alone for some time.
Enough of being alone. Now I'll be with you all the time.
What do you mean by that? Please, Pari, am I a kid or something? If I go near grandma in this condition, she will bombard me with questions. She will get upset about it too. I told you I want to be alone. I will be back.
Pari,
What do I do? How do I leave her alone? After all that has happened, I don't know where she's going alone. Arnav, I'm really scared.
Pari, don't be scared. She's Mishti. Mishti's the strongest amongst us. Give her some time and she will gather herself. Shall we leave?
Mishti. I knew you would come here. What did Veer say?
Nothing.
Mishti, tell me, what did Veer say?
Rohan, it's fine. Whatever is... It's just
No,
over.
it's not over. Tell me, what did Veer say to you? Tell me.
I was about to speak to Veer. Rohan! Rohan! Rohan, what are you up to? Listen to me,
Mishti,
please.
please step back. What happened today shouldn't have happened. How dare he speak to you like that? Today, either he'll be alive or me.
Rohan!
Mishti, what are you doing? Are you crazy?
Rohan, for my sake. Rohan, this is not the right way. I know he has insulted me a lot, and you are angry about it. And trust me, I am more angry than you. But if you throw stones into a puddle of muck, it will end up splashing you. And we can't stoop as low as Veer.
That man dared to insult you. In spite of knowing that if I don't do anything, then I won't be able to live peacefully with myself. I won't be able to live with myself, Mishti.
Rohan, Veer is my past. And it would be wise of me if I bury my past and move on. It was you who told me. The only difference that remains is that earlier I used to feel bad about it. My heart always felt heavy after seeing Veer suffer. But after what happened today, I do not have even any human emotions for him. I don't feel it necessary that we should tell Veer about our relationship. And Rohan, whatever happened was absolutely right. Now I can move on in my life without any baggage of my past. I can move on with you in my life. Now the only people I feel is important to know about us is our family. Grandma, Pari, Ansh, Arnav, and Aunt. That's it. I'm not at all bothered how Veer feels after knowing about our relationship. I don't care even if he feels bad about it. Now all that matters is that you and me. Until the end.
It is not right of you to make me swear by you. It's not fair.
And the way you are behaving, it's not fair. I did not like it at all.
Nor did I.
Yes, I'm coming.
Hey, Pari, I'm coming. Wait, dear. Mishti and Ruhan. I thought it was Pari at the door. I'm glad that you have come too. I was about to set supper at the table. Come on.
Grandma, I'm not hungry.
How come? You will eat, won't you? Or you are not hungry either?
No, Grandma, I'll eat just a little later. Let me just freshen up. You just take rest. I will set the table.
Okay. Just don't take too long.